If you are here, that means you are looking for web hosting services, or perhaps you are starting up a new business, or maybe running a small enterprise. You know that Namecheap have a well-established domain registrar. You also know that they provide hosting services, cater for email, web security services and creative website builder. If they are well known for offering affordable pricing, solid support, they must be doing well in the industry. Yes, you are right. They have over 11 million active users and 10 million domains under management. Namecheap offer domains for as low as $3.88 for the first year, easywp package, with a range of valuable add-ons. Their hosting plans offer great features as well as impressive server performance. Corporates like Buffer, Figma, and Imgur use their services. Let's inside the question, is Namecheap hosting the best? To understand the question better, we have to drive inside to find out its components like the pricing, features, pros, cons, competitive advantages. Namecheap has a wide range of hosting plans to suit the purposes of all web designers, regardless of industry or size. Each package includes sophisticated tools to assist you in achieving your objectives and mountain protection to safeguard your data and site users. There are 3 managed WordPress hosting plans available right now: easywp Starter, easywp Turbo, easywp Supersonic. First package, easywp Starter. This package starts at $3.88 per month and includes 10 GB of SSD storage and 50K monthly visits. The first month is just free. easywp Turbo. This package starts at $7.88 per month and includes 50 GB SSD storage and 200K monthly visits. The first month is just free. easywp Supersonic. This package starts at $11.88 per month and includes 100 GB SSD storage and 500K monthly visits. The first month is just free. What more you get in easywp plans? Free migration to easywp. Easy backups. Use any domain. Maintenance mode. Unrivaled 24/7 support. easywp cache plugin. Automatic updates. SFTP files access. Free CDN and SLL is available with easywp Turbo and Supersonic plan, and not with Starter plan. Namecheap, like every other name registrar, has its own advantages and disadvantages. Let's first consider all the pros before buying. Easy-to-use interface. Namecheap provides a simple user interface that allows users to get what they want instantly. You need not go through a rigorous process. Affordable pricing. This brand stands out in terms of pricing. It's perfect for startups and websites looking to get off the ground without blowing their budget. Website builder. cPanel includes creative site building applications with logo creation and site performance optimization. 24/7 support. If you have an issue with your website and need someone to assist you through any troubleshooting, Namecheap offers live chat support. Do-it-yourself tutorials. Namecheap covers a variety of how-to tutorials and videos, as well as a comprehensive knowledge base if you get stuck with site building. Domain privacy. It also provides free domain privacy for the rest of your life. Domain privacy is an extra cost with some services, such as GoDaddy. We have considered all the pros, but even cons not to be forgotten, that play a vital role before buying. Not the most cost-effective short-term solution. As a result, Namecheap isn't always the best option for short-term domain hosting. Namecheap isn't for you if you're searching for the cheapest of all. Phone support not available. One more issue worth thinking about, while it's a flaw, they don't have phone assistance. It isn't a big deal because live chat works great. However, some people prefer to speak to someone on the phone. Some data centers cost more. While it's strange that Namecheap has 2 data center locations, but frustrating to find that data centers in the United Kingdom would cost more. We will now look at how Namecheap works in comparison with GoDaddy and find out who is the best. Both offer a ton of free services. Free services is not only the right parameter in choosing best hosting company. Let us jump with the Namecheap versus GoDaddy brief comparison in a nutshell and understand who is the best. Pricing is a vital phase in determining domain choice. Because ICANN charges yearly fees for each name registered, there is a ceiling to what a registry may collect. GoDaddy runs at $7.99 per month renewal for the easywp plan, whereas Namecheap is $3.88 per month. So, GoDaddy or NameCheap, which is better in comparison with pricing? Well, if you are planning on running your website for more than 2 years, NameCheap is the clear winner. But if you are trying to claim free CDN in the first year itself, then GoDaddy can get you good performance instantly. However, SSL is not a free feature in either one. Many individuals will find GoDaddy to be a suitable fit, especially those who want phone support. If you already have domains of another provider, NameCheap also makes it super easy to do a domain transfer. Yes, the migration process is fast and easy in NameCheap than GoDaddy. You can check out the NameCheap transfer domain link in the description. Before registering for a free 1-month trial, let's understand why NameCheap is the best for startups and small businesses in recent times. Number 1. Boost your business online. NameCheap boosts your business with high-quality products and services at affordable pricing. NameCheap does not offer something if it does not improve your internet experience. Number 2. Customer service. The NameCheap support team is known for being one of the most skilled, polite, and expert in the industry who is serving after you. Real people are available to help you with any issue, at any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Last, number 3, privacy and security. NameCheap highlights online protection and privacy. It has always held the internet rights of people and consumers. Company mission is to keep internet security for all users always. By this time, you must be fully convinced with NameCheap hosting and would like to go for registration. The procedure for free registration is complete in 3 easy steps. The entire time needed is less than 5 minutes. At first, open the NameCheap official website by clicking the link in the description below. Secondly, choose your preferred plan. We recommend the easywp starter plan for beginners. Final step, click try for free and follow the directions. It's easy. If you run across any problems with the registration process, NameCheap has a fantastic support team. You may reach out to them via live chat or tickets. On successful registration, at any time during the 1-month trial period, if you are unsatisfied, you have the right to cancel your easywp trial membership. You may either quit right away or keep it active for the remainder of your membership month. Step-by-step instructions on how to cancel your easywp membership is on the NameCheap official website. The URL link is in the description below. Let us now sum up and conclude with NameCheap review. Is NameCheap worth registering for a free trial? The answer may be yes or no. Why yes? If you're starting a small website or blog, then NameCheap would be a suitable option. They offer pricing packages that are inexpensive and provide loads of features to get you started. Price starts at just $3.88 a month for easywp package. However, if your business is large and relies on stable performance, we recommend web hosts like Cloudways.